Here we're going to add the SuperFlexi tabs module. SuperFlexi is a module container that has many different sub-functions within it. So in this case we're going to look at the tabs feature. If you add the new module, same as always, click on Edit this page and select SuperFlexi from the list of choices. Give the module a name and a location and create new content. Then when you view this page, you can see we've added a new module here. Next step is to go under Settings, and from the list of solutions for SuperFlexi, select Icon Blocks. Save. Okay. So now we can add a new block. Give it a name. Content, this is optional, you don't have to have copy. Let's see, this is where do we want this icon block to link to? You could paste in a URL or select a file or a page. We're going to have it link out to the About Us page, and then you get to select an icon here. So it could be anything. Doesn't really matter what we pick. Calendar looks good. And you can pick the color if you want. Hit save. And now we have, the color doesn't look very good. It depends on your website and your color scheme. This is just a testing site. So anyways, the colors can change. Let's add another block. Copy. Let's link this one to a document. There's also a sort order, so you can change which icon blocks appear towards the front. The smaller the number up towards the top it goes. See what happens if we try changing color right here on the fly. Oh yeah, it changes it a little bit. But this color here, the green, is based on the overall site style, which may need to be tweaked in some cases. Okay, so if we hide the added links to make it clear, you can see we have some icon blocks. And they do differ in size, so if you were to come up with text and description that's about equal in length, you'll get a nice uniform look to them. So this is, you can have many rows of them. Let's add another one just to show you the different rows. Because you need some sort of a link in there. If you didn't want a link for some reason, you can type in the pound symbol, and that will allow it to basically go nowhere when you click on it. So here you can see we have different rows of icon blocks. It's a pretty neat and useful way to have callouts on your site to services or whatnot. And that's how you use it. SuperFlexi icon blocks.